Okay, hey, what's up, guys? 2016 Mazda 3. Just did an oil change and the wrench is on, meaning to say that oil change is due. Alright, so I just want to show you guys that the wrench is there and it needs to be reset. Now I'm gonna shut this off to start from the beginning. Alright, to reset this, you just want to have to start the button, press the start button twice without pressing the brake so the car doesn't start. And then so the next step would be is to here's your control knob right here. All right, so basically you need to go left and right to move this around. Say you want to go to the application, and then to select that, you basically have to press a button. I'm gonna go ahead and press a button so that goes in there, and in here you'll see maintenance, and I'm gonna go press that button to get into the next window, and then there you'll see oil change right at the bottom there. You press OK, so I did press that, and then took me to this window, and you want to go down to the reset to reset it, and then press OK, turn the knob, reset, then press OK, and there you go. So it's reset, and as you guys can see in the dash there, the wrench is not there anymore, so that means that you've successfully reset the oil life. All right, so if you guys like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell. Thanks, guys.